International Airport. The local time is 3:21. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off and keep the aisles clear till we are parked at the gate. Please take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items such as tablets or cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, please be careful as items may have moved in flight. You may now use your cell phone. All other electronic devices must be turned off. And once you deplane, please proceed to U.S. Immigration and Customs. Cell phone is not permitted in the customs hall. Please turn that off. And after landing, all customers must clear U.S. Immigration and claim your luggage, then proceed through customs. And be sure all required forms are completed. Customers making connections may recheck your luggage at our connection counter just outside of customs. If you have any questions, there will be a friend staff available to assist you. On behalf of your entire flight crew, it has been a pleasure serving you today. Hope you have enjoyed flying with us. And once again, thank you for choosing American Airlines, a member of the Runway Alliance.
We're happy you decided to fly with us today, and we know you're ready to be on your way. So please remain seated, keep your seatbelt fastened, and keep the aisles clear until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Before leaving, take a look around to be sure you have all of your belongings. We look forward to flying with you again soon.